Everybody, we put on the protective screen cover here. If you remember, the interior of the Hyundai Ioniq 5, this is all white, and we just put this black protective cover on it. It looks so much better. It looks so much professional, in my opinion. I will leave a link down below in the description for this product if you're interested. But overall, it fits perfectly. In my opinion, it's something that is definitely needed for any Ioniq 5 if you're looking to just amp up your game and looks of the interior. This makes things a lot more professional. So if you haven't already, press the like button and subscribe for more videos. Let me go ahead and see if I can build a swipe here. Right there. So the touch functionality is perfect. If you guys are interested, I will leave a link down below in the description, of course, so you guys can be able to purchase this. But in my opinion, let me go ahead and turn off the vehicle. Absolutely phenomenal, really clear, really nice. Needed for sure on the Ioniq 5. This makes things a lot more perfect. I will leave a link down below on another project I'm doing, which is the black mesh, which will go right there in this complete this dash unit. So if you haven't already, subscribed with the notification bell so you are alerted for new videos I do post. This is the matte finish for the protective covering, so it's not the glossy one, is the matte one. In my opinion, the matte looks really nice. Again, I'll leave a link down below if you're interested to purchase one of these. And with that said, check you guys out next video. Thanks.